She's fine, don't worry.
No, she pushed me.
That's her head bonks. Her head bonks are very aggressive, see? She just wants you, your pets. That's all. That's why she very manja one. So ini pun manja. See, look, she got under my leg. You see my hand? You see what Jamaica did in my hand?
We cannot keep you, you know. As much as I would love to keep you.
She's giving you aggressive kindness. She's mad. Baby, you cannot go and out. So pretty.
Yeah, I know.
Yoink. Are you relaxed? Yeah. You still head rubbing? Shank.
I love her eyes. It's green.
Yeah.
So wee.